Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is Scientific Notation Introduction Lesson. So what is the scientific notation? Scientific notation takes large numbers and makes them easier to use in mathematical operations. An example, you have this number, it looks like 1,243,000,000,000, and you want to take that number, and that's kind of a big number to add, subtract, multiply, divide. So what do? You simply put a decimal point on the end of it, and you simply start moving over, and you recreate the number as 1.234 as 10 to the 12th. On the other hand, you could have extremely small numbers like 0.0000807, like this, and then you just move the decimal this direction, and you create 8.07 times 10 to the negative fifth. All right, now, basic mathematical operations with scientific notation. Well, let's look at the multiplication first. So what you do is you multiply the 3 and the 2 to get the 6 right here, okay? And then you add the 4 and the 5 to get the 9 right there. So that's what you do with multiplying scientific notation. In division, however, what you're going to do is you're going to divide the 8 by the 4 to get the 2, and then you're going to subtract the 5 from the 4 to get the 1 right there. And so that's pretty easy. What about scientific notation addition? Well, in this case, what you're going to do is you're going to take the smaller exponent of the 2 and you're going to make it larger, but when you do that, you have to move the decimal 1 over that direction. So now you have the exponents, they are the same, and you simply add the 3 and the 2.2, you get 3.2, and there's your 4 for your exponent. Last but not least, scientific notation for subtraction. Okay, a little bit different. In this case, you take the larger exponent and you make it smaller to fit the smaller exponent right there. So then this means that you're going to be moving the decimal in this direction, right? And then you simply subtract the two numbers. That'll give us the 28, and then our exponent remains the same. And then we can't have it as 28. Scientific notation, you have to have one number to the left of the decimal, but you can have as many numbers to the right of the decimal as you want. So then you move it, of course, 1 over this direction, and that will give us 2.8 times 10 to the fifth. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Missing Chemistry.